Hi everybody, welcome to this SPM Modern Maths revisions. This is lesson number 7. In this video, I will talk about polygon. Okay, so first we need to memorize the name for the polygon which has 3 vertices until 10 vertices. Triangle, normally student no problem, 3 sides, 3 vertices. Quadrilateral, 4 sides. Pentagon, 5 sides. Hexagon, 6 sides. Heptagon, 7 sides. Octagon, 8 sides, nonagon, 9 sides, and decagon, 10 sides. We just need to remember the name from 3 vertices until 10 vertices. Okay, especially for these two, you have to be more careful. Students always get confused about the hexagon and heptagon because the spelling looks similar to each other, so be more careful about these two. Okay, so next thing is triangle. So triangle, we can sometimes you always see like equilateral triangle and isosceles triangle. Okay, these two you always see in the questions. Equilateral triangle means that 3 sides same length, 3 sides same length, and all the angle inside triangle are the same. The angle inside a polygon, we call it interior angle. Interior angle. So if I extend the line like this, the angle outside a polygon, we call it exterior angle. Okay, then you will notice that when I take the interior angle plus the axial angle, these two you add up together will be always equal to 180, right? Because you see a straight line like this. Okay, so these are properties for equilateral triangle, and then one is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means that you have 2 sides which have the same length. For example, these two, same length, and these 2 angles are the same. Okay, so an angle will be difference inside. Okay, so this one is isosceles triangle. Okay, so next thing is regular polygon. So pentagon means that 5 sides. It can be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now you have 5 sides, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But you will notice that all the sides here, they don't have the same length. So this is a pentagon, but not a regular pentagon. When you see a regular polygon means that all the sides having the same length and all the interior angles are the same. For example, let me give you an example. Regular pentagon. Okay, regular hexagon. Regular hexagon. Okay, so I draw a hexagon. Okay, regular hexagon means that all the length here same. The length of the side all are equal, and the interior angle will be the same also. Okay. So next thing is the sum of the interior angle. So if I have a hexagon, I want to find the sum of the interior angle of a polygon, right? So the formula that we use is n minus 2 times 180. If let's say I want to find the sum of the interior angle for hexagon, for this polygon, so we have how many sides for hexagon? 6 sides, right? So you have 6 sides. So according to the formula, if you want to find the sum of the interior angle, so we just use the formula n minus 2. Why is n? N is a number of vertices of that polygon. So now I want to calculate okay, hold on. Okay, now I want to calculate the sum of the interior angle for hexagon, right? So hexagon 6 vertices, so I just use 6 minus 2 times 180. Okay, just press the calculator. You will get, this is 4720. So we know that all these angles add up together will be equal to 720. Okay, so for a regular hexagon or regular heptagon or any regular polygon, if we want to calculate the angle for only one vertex, so we just divide the sum of the initial angle by n, because every angle here is the same, they have the same side. So let's say if I want to calculate the size of the initial angle for hexagon, I just take 6 minus 2 times 180 divided by 6. And just now we have calculated, this is 720, right? 720 divided by 6, 120. So we know that this angle is 120 degree. This is the way how we calculate the size of the initial angle for a polygon. Okay, so next thing is the sum of the, just now we learned the sum of the initial angle, right, for a polygon. Now the sum of the axial angle of a polygon. This one you don't have to calculate, because it will be always equal to 360 degree, right? So if I extend this line, okay, let me draw another regular polygon. How about I draw a regular pentagon? 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So the initial angle will be this. These are the initial angle. Okay, so if I extend the line like this, these are the axial angle. This all angle, the red color one, you add up together will be equal to 360. Okay, now we go to axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry. What does this mean? Axial symmetry means that, for example, okay, so we have a regular pentagon over here. If I fold this regular pentagon along this straight line, these two sides will overlap perfectly. So this is the axis of symmetry for this regular pentagon. So how many axes of symmetry for this regular pentagon? Okay, we have another one is here, right? So here also one will be here and here. Okay, so how many axes of symmetry? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 axes of symmetry. Actually, if for a regular hexagon, for a regular polygon, if the question asks you how many axes of symmetry for that regular pentagon, regular polygon, you just look at the number of vertices. For a regular pentagon, there will be 5 axes of symmetry. Regular hexagon, there will be 6 axes of symmetry. Regular heptagon will be 7 axes of symmetry. So you don't have to draw this every axial symmetry and calculate it. You just remember that rules, but only that rules only apply for the regular polygon. So another thing is the diagonal. Okay, if you have a polygon like this, the line from one vertex to another vertex, we call it diagonal. So these are the diagonal. Okay, so this will be the diagonal for the for this polygon pentagon. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 diagonal. So now you already learned two new things, axis of symmetry, and then one is the diagonal. So remember the name for this the terms axial symmetry and diagonal. Okay, let's try some polygon questions. Let's look at these questions. Okay, in the diagram, T, U, Q, R, S are 5 successive vertices of a regular polygon. So regular polygon, we know these are same length. Okay, how many sides does the polygon have? Normally, when the question asks us how many sides of a polygon, we will always use this method. We find the axial angle, because the axial angle for any polygon will be always equal to 360, right? So number of sides since this is a regular polygon, means that every axial angle will be the same. So if we want to determine the number of sides of this polygon, we just take 360 divided by the axial angle, 45. Okay, so this one you just press the calculator, or you will get 8 sides. Is that right, easy? Right. So normally, if the question asks us about the number of sides of the polygon, we use this method. Actually, if you don't want to use this method, also can. Let's say, if you want to use the inch angle method here, you just press the calculator 180 minus 45. You will get 135, right? So 135 is the inch angle. Let me check. 180 minus 45. Yes, 135, right? So how do we get the inch angle for a regular polygon? N minus 2 times 180 divided by n, right? So it will be equal to 135. Okay, let's try this method. Get the value of n. So the n you move over here, become multiply to 180. You bring in expansion 180n minus 360 equal to 135n. Okay, so this is just like a linear equation. 180n minus 135n equal to 360. So here you will get 45 and 360. N will be equal to 360 divided by 45. It's actually the same thing, you see. You will get the same answer, 8 sides. But normally we will use this method because it's faster and more simple. Okay, so next part is to find the value of y. Since this is a regular polygon, this angle also the same, right? All 135. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a pentagon because we have 5 sides, right? So pentagon, the sum of the inch angle for a pentagon, 5 minus 2 multiply 180. So you will get 540. Means that why I take 5? Because you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here you have a pentagon. So we know that you add up all these inch angle together, you will get 540. So from here we know that you have 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, 5 plus 2y, 1y and then y here will be equal to 540. Okay, so this 405 plus 2y, 540. Okay, so this is linear equation. As I told you before, that linear equation is actually very important. 540 minus 405. Okay, so you can just press the calculator. You will get 135. Okay, let me check around that. It's 5, 3. Okay, so 135. So y will be 135 divided by 2. Okay, so it will be equal to 67.5. Okay, done these questions. Actually, not that difficult, right? Okay, so let's go to the second questions. In the diagram, PQRSTU is a regular, okay, regular hexagon. All the side here, same length, regular hexagon. And EFGHU is regular pentagon. All the length here also the same, right? Okay, so given that G and R is 90 degree, here is 90 degree, find the value of Y. Okay, so we go X first. X is actually very easy because this is another regular polygon, right? So all the angle here will be the same. So how to find the sum of the initial angle for a polygon n minus 2 multiplied by 180? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 side. 5 minus 2. Okay, x will be equal to 5 minus 2. I find the sum of the initial angle first, then divided by the number of sides. Okay, so you get 5, 4, divided by 5. Okay, so just press your calculator, you will get 108. Okay, so now we know that x is equal to 108. Okay, part B, y. To find this y, it may be a little bit complicated. Never mind. I think I just find this angle first. Why I want to find this angle? Because later on I will use this whole angle, the angle over here, minus the angle here, then I will get the y. Okay, so this line cut this regular hexagon into two equal half, means that these two angles will be the same. So I just find the initial angle for a regular hexagon first. N minus 2, okay, and here is 6 because we have 6 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 minus 2 times 180, then divided by 6. Okay, so 6 minus 2, 180 divided by 6, you will get 120. 120. So 120, if I divide it by 2, I will know that this is 60 degree. Here also 60 degree. Okay, now I know this angle is actually 60 degree. Okay, 60 degree. So just now, okay, so I think I find this whole angle first. Angle TUP. TUP is 120, right? Okay, and angle HUP is 108. So this small angle over here will be equal to 120 minus 108. We get 12. Okay, so it means that this small angle is equal to 12 degree. So how to get the y? Y will be equal to this angle, which is 60 degree, minus 12. Okay, you will get 48. Y is equal to 48. Okay, the last one is Z. So we know here will be a full turn. Full turn is 360. So we try to get this angle and this angle. Okay, so here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 vertices means that the sum of the interior angle for these three, for this polygon, for this part, will be equal to 360. So here just now we calculated this is 120, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 108. This is 108. Here also same thing, 108. So what's the angle here? You just take 360 minus 108 minus 108 minus another 48. Okay, so this angle will be equal to 96. This angle will be equal to 96. So if here is equal to 96, this angle will be equal to 180 minus 96, 84. Here 84. So how to get this angle? Another quadrilateral, right? So the sum of the interior angle for quadrilateral will be 360. 360 minus 60, 90, and 84. Then you will get this angle. 360 minus, okay, let me write down the angle. Angle NGF. NGF is equal to NGF. This angle 360 minus 84, 60, and 90. 84, 60, and 90 degree. Okay, minus 84, 60, and 90. Okay, you get 126. So this angle is 126. So and the angle we calculated just now, HGF. HGF is, oh sorry, HGF is actually 108, right? 108. Okay, so now if you want to get the Z, no problem, because a full turn will be 360. Z will be equal to 360 minus 108 minus 126. 360 minus 108. Okay, so the answer is 126 degree. Okay, question number 3. In the diagram, PQTV is a rhombus. PQTV is a rhombus. So this is very important. Rhombus. UVQR is a straight line. UVQR is a straight line. Find the value of x, y, and z. Okay. So first, let's go to the rhombus. What's the property of a rhombus? Rhombus means that these two parallel to each other. These two parallel to each other. And another one very important property is the diagonal, right? The diagonal here will be 90 degree, and all are the same length, So another one is angle. You have a rhombus. Okay, so this angle plus this angle will be equal to 180. Why? Because, okay, if I extend, let me extend the line. Okay. Okay. So these two are parallel, right? So this angle is actually the corresponding angle for this. So you will notice that these two angles you add up together, you get 180. So these two angles you add up together, you will get 180. Another one is the angle here and here are the same actually. And these are the same. How do I know? Because this angle, the corresponding angle for this one, can be here also. And the corresponding angle for this will be here. And we learned that vertical opposite angle. So these two are actually equal. So we know these two angles are the same and these two angles are the same. Okay, so how do we get the x? So these actually, all of these are the same length because this is rhombus. So means that here will be 50 degree also. 50 degree also. So okay, you have a triangle here. The sum of the initial angle for a triangle will be equal to 180. 180. Okay, let me erase this one first. Okay, I write over here. Angle VTQ will be equal to 180 minus 2 times 50. So this is actually 80 degree. So now I know here is 80 degree. Because I told you that, see the opposite angle is actually the same, right? So here 80, x will be equal to 80 degree also. Okay, so when we have a value, better we write down on the diagram easier. Maybe we need it for the second part. So the next is y. How to find the value of y? Okay, this one should be easy. Here 50, here will be angle TQR will be equal to 180 minus 50 degree, so which is 130. So here I know 130, right? So y will be equal to, so this is 1 2 3 4 4 side quadrilateral. So the sum of the initial angle for quadrilateral will be always equal to 360. 360 minus 65 minus 130 minus 120. Okay, press the calculator, see what value we got. 360 minus 65, 130 minus 120. Okay, you will be able to get 45. So y is 45 degree. 45 degree. Okay, how about z? Okay, so now you see these two same length means that this is actually isosceles triangle. It will be also equal to z. And this angle TVU is equal to 180 minus 50. You get 130. So here's 130. 130. Okay, so how to get z? Triangle, the sum of the initial angle for a triangle will be 180, right? So we know that 2z, okay, this is C, 2z plus 130 will be equal to 180. 2z will be equal to 180, you minus 130, you will get 50. And z will be equal to 50 divided by 2, you get 25. Okay, let's try one more questions. A, B, C, D, E, F is a regular hexagon. A, B, C, D, E, F, regular hexagon, same length, all same length, and the initial angle will be the same. Okay, BA, DE, HG parallel line. AEH, and CDH. These two are straight line. Find the value of x. So x is actually very easy. This is initial angle for the regular hexagon, right? So x will be equal to regular hexagon, 6 sides, 6 minus 2 times 180 divided by 6. Okay, this one you will get 120. So here is 120. So next is to find the value of y. So if here it's 120, then I know that this angle FAE will be equal to 180 minus 120, then divided by 2, right? Because these two angles are the same. Okay, so 30. If here is 30, 120 minus 30, here will be 90 degree. Okay, if here is 90 degree, these two are parallel. Here will be 90 degree also, and we know this is actually 120. If this is 120, angle EDH will be equal to 180 minus 120, right? So here you will get 60 degree. 60 degree. Okay, now if you want to get the y, it's actually very easy. 180, you'll see a triangle here. Triangle, the sum of the initial angle for a triangle will be equal to 180. So that we take 180 minus 60 minus 90. So y is equal to 30 degree. So this is 30 degree. Okay, so let's go to the last part, Z. So just now we got this angle is actually 30 degree. So if this is 30 degree, here must be 150, right? 150, and you will see zigzag alternate angle. Here also 90 degree. Okay, so the sum, you will see a quadrilateral over here. So the sum of the initial angle for quadrilateral will be equal to 360. So Z is equal to 360 minus 50 minus 150 minus 90. Okay, so just press the calculator. 360 minus 50 minus 150 minus 90. Okay, you will get 70 degree. Okay, so for this video, we just stop here. Hope that after watching this video, you know better about this chapter. See you again in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.